Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to set up an Xbox Game Bar app to record the string. This app cannot record the file manager string and some string under your local computer. Okay, let's start. First, you have to click on the Windows symbol button, which is located at the lower left corner of your computer screen. After clicking that, you select the sentence which has the symbol sign look like a wheel, and then the string like this will open for you. At this string, you click on the gaming. When the gaming string open, they automatically have the Xbox Game Bar string show on the right hand side. And here you make sure this is on. Next, click on captures to wheel and adjust it whatever you want here. Like here, make sure you know where your files is after you hit the stop button. It's automatically saved, so you don't have to do that part. Here mine is Excel under C user 2019 laptops, which is my account to log in this computer. The video also under capture folder, which is located under at the videos folder. So at your computer account is in your account, you click on videos and you click on the capture that you can find your video there. Video string record. You just record it. Here you can adjust the background recording. Right now I have it off. If I have it on, it will record the sound of whatever I'm doing, like I'm playing a game in this computer or I using the mouse, but when I click on, you will hear the sound of I click the mouse clicking. Also, you can set maximum recording length for this video, like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours. I haven't adjusted, so I don't know. I'm not sure about this, but I think that when you set this is our system automatically have 2 hours, so I skip 2 hours there. So to me, I think when I set up it's 2 hours. When I record this video, when it reaches 2 hours, it will be stopped recording. Whatever after 2 hours is not recorded. So that's what I'm thinking. You can set 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours. Also, you can set up recorded audios to the audios. If make sure this is on, so you can record your voice like I am talking right now. This will record right now. If I click off, it's off. You won't hear whatever I said, and whatever I said is a waste because it's not recorded. It's not recorded. If you don't want to do every time you press the record button, about the microphone. Then you make sure there's a checkbox so it's automatically turned on when you hit the start recording button, so you don't have to do extra stuff. Also, sometimes you will forget, and then whatever you recording is waste your time. You have to do again. So make sure this is checked. So next is audio quality. Right now it's 128. That's what they recommend. But here they have 160, 192. So I keep 128 as they recommend. You can adjust the microphone volume and system volume too. Here, checkbox record game audio only. I think that's record whatever is in this what you doing right now. Like recording right now. It's record whatever recording, but it's not record stuff outside. Right now, I have a music on in the house, but you won't hear, and you don't hear in this video because that this is have check on this one. Next is the record. You should set up a video recorded video. They have for you like 30 frame rate or 60 frame rate. So it's the system says was set on 30 frames and recommended, so I keep that. Also the video quality, the system set standard, so I keep it standard. But under this one, you have standard or high. So the next time, probably I change to the high, so you can see how is different. Oh, yeah. Here they have a capture mouse cursor in recording, so I think they record when the cursor, the video, the mouse are moving here. If you don't have this on, they won't. I haven't tried yet, but won't see the cursor just like the more. That's for the captures. Next, let me go back to Xbox game bar for you to see this. They have the keyword shortcuts. There's certain keywords you can use. You don't have to use the mouse. You just use the keyboard. Especially it's good for those people playing the game, the recording game. When you press the both keyword, the Windows symbol keyword and the letter G at the same time, and they will open the Xbox game bar. If you want to take the screenshot, you have to press these three together at the same time. That is the Windows symbol and Alt in the print screen, which is on most of the time is on the top of your keyboard, top right of your keyboard, on the last top last row on the keyboard. At the same time, they will take the screenshot on, so the string will be saved automatically under the capture folders of in the video folder. If you want to record that, you have to press the Windows key, Alt key, and letter G key at the same time. To stop or to record, to start or to stop recording, you have to press the Win no key and Alt key and the letter R key at the same time. That's when you start, and the press that. If you want to stop, you have to press that to stop. Microphone. To turn microphone on and off, you press the 3 at the same time when the window keyword, Alt keyword, and the letter M key at the same time. To start or pause broadcast, you press the Win key, Alt key, and the letter B key at the same time. To show the camera in broadcast, right now I don't have the camera on. You press the Win key, Alt key, and W, the letter key at the same time. That's for the shortcut. They have game mode here. Here they say game mode is on. When to optimize your PC or for play, and you have Xbox networking too here. Connection status, connect Xbox Live, stuff. So it's very much. If you want to get more help, learn more about Xbox Game Bar by clicking that. Okay. That is how to set up Xbox Game Bar. Well, thank you for watching. See you next video. I will show you probably I made the small a short video to show you how to record it. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. Now I can stop recording this itself to the capture folder.